Hey, if you want to get the live wallpaper on the Pixel 7 Pro, let me show you two ways. The first one, as you can see here, I have these emojis and they are actually activate. So I mean, they are moving when I scroll on the screen or when I move it with my finger. And if you want to get this kind of the wallpaper, you can actually set it up by holding on the empty space on your screen. Go to the wallpaper and style, then you have to go to the more wallpapers, and here you've got the emoji workshop. And here you can tap on the plus to create your emoji wallpaper. That's a lot of patterns actually that you can create. Take a look. You can resize them by moving with this icon. You can change the color. So you can pick, for example, this one, tap right here, tap to set the wallpaper, but also we've got the preview of it. So take a look. So that's how it looks. But if you are looking for other, like more animated wallpaper, so we have to use the application. So I can recommend you to open the Play Store, click on the search pool and type live wallpaper. That's actually a lot of different wallpapers that you can get. But if you want to get free application, I can recommend you this one, the Fluids Free. Yeah, this one, the Magic Fluids Lite. So take a look. We have to download this application, but you can use any other, but that's my favorite actually, so that's why I'm gonna show you this one. We have to click open, and here we have some kind of the music. I'm gonna mute this one, and as you can see, that's how it looks. But don't worry, we've got more options when you tap right here. You can go to the settings, accept this first things, and take a look how many options we've got right here. That's the different presets that we can just find right here. So let's say that I'm gonna get this one. Okay, we've got also the limited options. So if you want to unlock this one, you have to watch an ad. So let's say that I wanted this one without watching any ads. And we've got also some kind of the settings that we can boost, you know, the image quality, the simulation resolution, the glow and the shadow quality. So there's a lot of options that we can customize. And if you want to pick this one, click on the X in the right upper corner, tap on this three lines and tap to set as a live wallpaper, and then tap yes. Click to set wallpaper. Let's select the home screen and take a look right now. That's how our screen looks right now. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Bye bye.